In this video, I will show you how to add the new reference to software. This software I use EndNote for reference. For example, you search and you find the journal. Some journal already the style. For example, this journal, you can see here. Here's the style for the journal. So you download this style. I already download in here. And how to add the reference? The first, you double click in this and you put the name. You can check maybe in here, select another style. You can see here I put another name, ZAZ. Okay, already ZZ. Okay, and I double click and ZAZ. Okay, and save. Yes, and save ZAZ. Okay, and I close. You open the work and open EndNote and choose select another style and you find the style, maybe the style, yes, VG VGST. Okay, in here you can see ZAZ and click OK, and in this I choose on paper. You should choose this. Okay, and you can see here another paper. And here okay, thank you so much.